GTR out here, nigga. Damn! This nigga blew the rest of his shit out. Damn!
Blew that whole bumper off.
What's good, you guys? Hey, welcome to the family channel, man. This is the new channel, man. I'm finna be vlogging my daily life, you feel me? Make sure you guys press the subscribe button if you're from my other channel or if you're just new to the channel, you feel me? And I'm gonna pick up with y'all when we get there. Let's get it.
Yo, my nigga Art Food, what's good with you? What's good with you? Say what's up to the vlog. Ugly ass nigga, like a bug, finna get to frying your ass. This nigga got that charger though. You feel me? That shit whack. Tires is gone. Look at this nigga Art. He got the tire in the truck. He ready?
Oh, he already got the full spare.
This
Yeah.
nigga. Fuck. Hey, can you turn your flash on for me? That shit crazy. Look at this shit. Alright.
Hold on, take it to the middle. Hit it. Hold on.
Hell nah. Look at this shit.
That's a super fair.
Hell nah. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. motherfucker deep is a bitch. This little ass parking lot, all these motherfucking cars in here. Damn! This nigga blew the rest of his shit out. Damn! Damn!
Damn. That whole bumper hole.
Damn! What? The whole bumper came.
Hey, I did the same shit. Hey, you want
Hell no! He got a whole belt right here.
Bro, like that, slide like that.
You cool?
Hell nah, that shit hot as fuck. Hey, put that shit out my face.
You got a souvenir on my
Hell no!
Hey, we saw it one time.
God damn! He blew both tires out the way. His whole bumper fucked. This shit came off his tires. What the fuck? Hey, Art, tell him another one. Another one. This shit wet. Look at this shit, boy. Got the Camaro. Got the Acura. All right, but we got that Challenger. That shit loud as hell. Hell no, that's crazy. But yeah, y'all, we finna switch locations because we in this little ass parking lot, you feel me? So yeah, we finna switch to another location. I know y'all probably can't see me though, cause I'm black as a mug. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all with y'all when we get there. Don't tell me niggas got into an accident on the way to another meet, bruh. Damn.
He want insurance. What do you want?
Bro, hey, you want to
Damn.
call the police?
I ain't gonna call the cops. Call a couple calls, but ain't sit out here for a minute. I ain't calling the cops. Get somebody's car, you take responsibility.
That shit crazy.
You keep running your shit.
This whole shit crazy.
Just let him talk, bro.
This whole shit is crazy. God. A random ass cop pulled up, bruh. So we finna dip though. We finna end up dipping though. We finna go to the second spot. We'll see what's up over there. They already burning out over here. We burning out in a Jeep. They calling the cops. Niggas is doing the dash. Mustang. They got the Mustang. That's crazy. They got the Mustang. That's tough. Spill it on. You would've thought the GTR on the hood. That's a fucking GTR, nigga.
Put your top down.
They got a GTR out here, nigga. He's smoking everybody. He's smoking everybody, nigga. He's smoking everybody. What? That shit nice. That hoe nice. That hoe nice, bro. This nigga art shit fucked. That hoe wet though. This shit crazy. Niggas over here revving and shit. This nigga Whip been through a lot, nigga. He just got this hoe. That shit crazy. This nigga just got this bitch. That shit crazy. This shit wet. Damn. This shit wet though, man. This hoe nice as hell. This fucking nice, bruh. Yeah, it's deep as hell, bruh. This car's all the way back there. Let me zoom in for y'all. This car's all the way over there too. They got hella charges, hella motherfucking everything, bruh. They got a Beamer that pulled up and everything, bro. They got a Beamer, they got a GTR. GTR over here though. That hoe nice as hell. This hoe nice as fuck. Got the Mustang. In this hood. Alright, as you guys can see, man, I don't know if y'all can hear me, bro, but we rolling out right now to the third location, bro. These cars be getting crazy. I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get there. We got the purple SRT on this hoe. Already know the vibes. Shit nice as hell.
We got this heater coming right here.
Took the hood off.
Oh yeah. What was it? It's just a little connection pipe from the push neck. It's like, I ordered it.
Yo, real quick, man. Hey, I just dropped my merch, man. It's lit. I got lit designs, man. You know what I'm saying? You guys can check it out. The link will be in the description after you are done watching the video. Please be sure to go check it out, man, and show some support to the channel, man. Without further ado,
Motherfucker.